It's challenging to reconcile the past. We bring unresolved and unprocessed grief from the past into the present, whether it be from a traumatic upbringing, an unresolved relationship, or the persistent recollection of previous mishaps. No one passes through life unscathed. We all have past baggage that drags us down and keeps us stuck in old habits, self-concepts, and habitual reflexive behaviors. The concept of karma in Buddhism refers to how our present behavior will affect our future behavior, and how our past behavior affects us in the present. Although we will never be able to totally undo our past actions, we can discover the freedom to choose a different course of action by altering how we interact with our emerging karmic patterns. In other words, even while we cannot change the past, we can alter how we view and relate to it in the present. We always have a choice, due to the nature of experience and it being impermanent, and it is impermanence that makes change possible. Soto Zen priest Kyogen Carlson points out that, when we talk about cleansing karma, we sometimes have this illusion that we're going to wash it all off, and it's going to go away. But what we really do is cleanse our relationship with it. He further explains that this entails that we drop our old ways of responding and our old traps of habit energy. All these things that happened in the past are still with us in some respects. We acknowledge that, we call to them and find a way to respond to them. May you find your way through life, may you find peace and happiness.